to add live effect to your photo on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE. Recently, we update my Samsung device and get the new AI features. So make sure your device update with the latest version. Tap the software update. Tap on the last update. Here you can see we recently update my device One UI version 6.1 Android 14. So make sure your Samsung device update with the latest version to use this live effect photo on your device. Now open the phone gallery on your device. Select any photo you want to add live effect. Here we select this. Now tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on the details. Now wait. At the top you can see the live effect option. Tap on it. Now adding live effect to your photo. This is the normal feature if you want to add live effect to any photo from your phone gallery. Now you can see how it looks when apply effect to any photo. You can also share with your social media or tap on a save copy to save image this live effect on your gallery. Wait until complete downloading image or live effect photo on your device. You can find this on your phone gallery also. Now video save in the camera. Now go back. Now tap. Now you can see the live effect. That's it. Like it, share it.